Welcome friends. Today we are going to revise questions which will come in coming online exam. Question number 51. Name the file. Answer B. Riffler file. 52. What is the name of voice? Answer A. 53. Which grinding machine is used for heavy duty work? Answer C. Pedestal grinder. 54. Which chisel is used for separating materials after chain drilling? Answer A. Web chisel. 55. Which file is used for sharpening the teeth of woodworking saws? Answer C. Mill saw file. 56. Where will be the weight of the hammer stamped? Answer C. Cheek. 57. What will be the effect if the clearance angle of chisel is less than recommended angle while chipping? Answer A. Cutting edge cannot penetrate. Chisel will slip. 58. Name the property of metal to resist the effect of tensile forces without rupture. Answer B. Tenacity. 59. Name the part marked as X. Answer A. Anvil. 60. What is the accuracy of metric outside micrometer? Answer A. 0.01 millimeter. 61. Name the part marked as X. Answer D. Point angle. 62. Which type of taper is provided in the drill shank? Answer C. Morse taper. 63. Which is used to remove drills and sockets from the machine spindle? Answer A. Drift. 64. Name the tap wrench used in the restricted place. Answer B. T-handle. 65. In the ISO metric thread, calculate the tap drill size for M10 into 1.5 thread. Answer A. 8.2 mm. 66. What is the unit of feet in drilling operation? Answer B. Millimeter per revolution. 67. Name the part marked as X in vernier caliper. Answer C. Depth bar. 68. What is the accuracy of protractor head in combination set? Answer A. 1 degree. 69. What is the accuracy of a tri-square? Answer C. 0.002 millimeter per 10 millimeter length. 70. Which punch is used for witness marks? Answer A. Dot punch. 71. What is the name of the caliper having one leg with an adjustable divider point and other leg is bent? Answer A. Jenny caliper. 72. What is the name of the part marked as X in surface gauge? Answer B. Snug. 73. What is the name of part marked as X in combination shirt? Answer D. Protractor head. 74. Which type of datum is followed? Answer A. Edge datum. 75. What is the name of parallel block? Answer D. Adjustable parallel block. 76. Which material is used to manufacture grade A V blocks? Answer C. High quality steel. 77. Which chisel is used for removing materials on the corners of the keyways? Answer B. Diamond point chisel. 78. Which file is having rows of teeth cut in one direction? Answer A. Single cut file. 79. Which file is used for filing wood and leather? Answer C. Rasp cut file. 80. Why the cutting faces of files are slightly bellied on lengthwise? Answer B. Filing flat surfaces is made easier. 81. Which pitch of blade is used for cutting bronze, brass and cast iron? Answer D. 1.80 mm. 82. What happens if the clearance angle of chisel is too high? Answer B. Digging on the surface. 83. Which type of hammer is used for riveting purpose? Answer B. Ball peen hammer. 84. What is the unit of cutting speed in drilling operation? Answer C. Meter per minute. 85. What is the name of part marked as X in drill? Answer A. Lip. 86. What is the name of part marked as X in drilling machine? Answer A. Drill chuck. 87. What is the minor diameter of thread? Answer D. Minor diameter equal to major diameter minus 2 into depth. 88. What is the name of the part marked as X? Answer C. Thimble. 89. What is the reading of the outside micrometer? 50 to 75 mm. Answer 63.63. 90. What is the name of the part marked as X? Answer D. Fine adjusting slide. 91. What is the name of the hoist? Answer B. Bench hoist. 92. What is the name of the part marked as X? Answer D. Safe edge. 93. What is the name of operation? Answer B. Checking flatness. 94. Which marking media is applied to rough forgings and castings? Answer A. Whitewash. 95. Which is used to finish the resharpened divider point? Answer D. Aylstone. 96. What is the use of bevel protector? Answer C. Measure the angle. 97. Name the file shown. Answer B. Tinker's file. 98. Which hoist is used for holding hollow cylindrical jobs? Answer B. Pipe hoist. 99. What is the pitch of hacksaw blade used to cut conduit and other thin tubes? Answer A. 0.8 mm. 100. Which metal cutting saw is used for cutting different profiles? Answer C. Counter band saw. For more videos, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.